Okay guys, this is me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Different type of video, y'all. I actually just got back from Dollar Tree and I don't got time to set up and record all this, so I'm just setting it up here on the bed and I'm going to record it because it's pretty big. I spent over $100. I'm not going to show you every single item because a lot of them are a lot of dupes, so why show you 20 things that are the same exact thing if I don't have to? So we're just gonna get started. Northern is actually what I went ham on. I got 20 of these, y'all. 20, okay? You're like, oh my God, $20 on toilet paper. No, I wasn't ready. No, this is a great deal. You get 4 of them. They're the double rolls, so they equal out to 8 for $1. So $20, man. This is going to last me quite some time. And the good thing about this, they even have the Angel Soft version. I bought one of the Angel Soft lavender as well. I didn't get a lot of those because scented things in your hoo-ha, when you're wiping, I don't know. I couldn't do it. So I didn't get those, but I got 20 of these. I got some cups. I got these little cups here for Grace and Christian. I thought these will work pretty good. And also Justin can use them as well. I did pick up these bowls. Look at these bowls, y'all. 3 of them. You remember when we were young, we had the sipper bowl. So I went ahead and got them for the kids as well. So each one had one. Just reminds me of old times. So I picked those 3 up. I did haul these before. I love them. Oh my goodness. The Pure Silk Coconut and Oat Flour. This is amazing. I'm using this right now in the shower. I love it. I have one in the shower now. These are 2 more. I think I might get more because, you know, once you see something at the Dollar Tree and it's gone, it's gone. But this right here, bomb, love it. So if you see it, get it in the packaging. It's really, really pretty, so I recommend it. Pick these up for Justin. These are just some new mechanical pencils for school. And just so I don't bore you to death, I didn't show multiples, but I got 3 of the fragrance boosters. The fragrance boosters are okay. I mean, they're not nothing to be like, oh my God, get them now. You need to buy them. Oh my God, they're amazing. But they're okay. And I just like the way it makes the washer smell. So I bought 3 of them, already using one. Another one's in the laundry room and one to show you guys now. Elf is not playing with our behinds at the Dollar Tree. They are in the Dollar Tree and they are in high demand, especially the studio line. If you see my 5 under $5, I talked about the hydrating under eye primer. Bomb! So when I seen these, of course I picked them up. They're all gone now, but I got these last 2. And I love them. They're normally, I think, like $3. So to get them for $1, that was a steal. I did see this from the, I guess it's Scoochie, or I don't know how you say it, but yeah, that line, y'all know this is name brand. This is normally $3 to $5, so to get this for only $1, these no slip grip bands, it was definitely worth it. This head wrap as well. I thought this one was really pretty. I swear I got a blue one too, but I cannot find it right now. But yeah, this is the pink one that I got. I think the blue one might still be in the car. 2 highlighters are out from LA Colors. I only picked up 3 of the 5. But I got the lavender set. It looks like that. This is called Moonbeam. And I got Wild Child too. So these are the ones I got. I did get another one. I swear I did. I swear. No, I didn't. Because I have one that's all like bronze colors. But I didn't feel I needed that one. So I didn't get that. Oopsie. I did get it. I did get it. I don't know why. But Time to Glow. I got this one too. Which are the copper ones. Now, can we talk about feet, all right? It's summertime. Y'all know the sun is out. It's time to have the feet out. I know up north, y'all still getting snow. Big ups to y'all for handling that. But down here, we wearing shorts and stuff. You know what I mean? So, I did get some things for the feet. I got the Sassy Chic Pumice Stone. I got from Palmer's Cocoa Butter. This is a heel softener. And this little set right here I thought was so cute to put in the shower. This for the feet, of course. And you have your little, what are these? The little boards and then the clippers. So this all came in one for $1. So that was a great deal. I think these are out for Mother's Day or something like that. Dollar Tree had Jelly Bellies. I've never seen Jelly Bellies in the Dollar Tree. So I thought that was a great thing to just show you that they have them now. The thing I found was this travel dressing container. This is for your salad dressings. You just put it in here and then you just squeeze them out when you take your salad to work. That way you have a container to put them in, so you don't have to be ghetto all the time and be like me and put it in a sandwich bag and then you scoop it out the sandwich bag. All right, so now you have a travel dressing container, and it's cute, and I love the color. Now I didn't want to put them all in here because I already put them up, but I got 4 of these plates, and I got the matching cups to go with them, and with that, I got the matching pot holders and the matching kitchen towel to go in my kitchen. Now this is my cutest find of the day. This is the cutest find, and I'm going to be using, well, now it's one of the cutest finds. The other one I'm about to show you, but this is going to be going on the vanity. It says, "You are my sunshine." Look at these. These are going to be brush holders. Look at this. "You are my sunshine, free spirit, and good vibes." Look at the pastel. Look at the pastel. Look how pretty this is. These containers are so cute, and they're going to look so cute on the vanity, especially for spring and summer. How cute are these? And if you think these are cute, wait till what I'm about to show you. Now this was the coolest find. Guys, look at these macaroons. Well, they're supposed to be like macaroons. Look at that. So cute for on top of the vanity. They're like little jewelry cases with a design heart. How cute are these? Let me open it up for you. And that's what they look like open. How cute are these? These are so beautiful. Oh, I cannot wait to put these on top of my vanity. And they go so cute with these. You already know what it is. Everything left. It's what? It's what? Bolero, okay, and body care. So I got these loofahs. I actually have 3. I already put one up. And these loofahs are thick. Really, really thick. Thicker than the normal Dollar Tree ones. And for $1, come on, that's pretty cheap. And they even tell you every 30 days, replace. And then everything else, Bolero. Bolero. Y'all know I love Bolero. Just look at it. Take a minute and observe it. You done looking? All right, let's go. A lot of new sets come out. This is the newest. This is the honeysuckle and green tea. I went a little ham because the wipes are a little bit strong. But the oil I really like, but the wipes are a little bit strong. But nevertheless, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of the wipes. Only 1 body wash was left, so I picked up that one they had, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the oils. 1 of the bath soaks, and I'm going to be using that for my feet. I got 1 of the English Rose Blossom because I don't really like rose scented stuff that much. Oil, the macaroon mint and raspberry oil. I wish they had the wipes for that, but they didn't because that one smelled okay. But they didn't have any of the other ones like the coconut and sea salt, but I got all those already. So the only thing I don't have from the collection that has ever come out is that French rose and lavender or something. That's the only one I don't have anything of. So yeah, and they had the soaps, and I just don't do bar soaps, so I would just be wasting my money. So yeah, that's the end of this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. If there's something from the Dollar Tree that you're looking for, definitely let me know in the comments below. That way I can look forward to, or if there is something you're requesting for a video. I know y'all want a Sephora VIB video. I probably will be going, I'm not sure, but it's only 1 item I want. So it'll be a video on 1 item. So I might just show it on Snap because I really haven't been wanting a lot of makeup lately. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, and subscribe. You hear my lovely kids in the background. We're about to get ready to go. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.